C.T.I Wakiki has defeated Bakfoku FC to win this year's edition of the Ntamulung Unity Cup. The finals on Sunday, September 1, 2024, played at the Church Center School Fee, rallied together sons and daughters of Ntamulung around the beautiful game. The game, which ended on post-match penalty after 90 minutes of regular playing time, during which both teams showcased their know-how in football but could not find the back of the net despite all efforts put in place by Bakfoku FC. All were twatted away by Emmanuel Vochinui Ta, the goalkeeper of C.T.I, who also stopped the first penalty and was voted the best goalkeeper of the tournament. This to the satisfaction of his teammates and coach.
Feel honorable to win the championship. The match was really difficult and tough. I had small lapses in my game, but I will make up for it. We just need to work hard and push ahead.
All my players came in time and they have one spirit. And just because they have one spirit, I have to defeat the match. Football is all about one spirit.
Despite all the lapses, this year's edition of the Ntamulung Unity Cup stands out as one of the best interquarters in Bamenda.
It was nice, and I appreciate C.T.I. They have proven that they are at the head of the quarter. Everything went on well, and we are hoping that next year we'll have a better competition than this one.
In all, the third edition of the Ntamulung Unity Cup was a huge success. Reasons for more efforts to be put in place in order to raise the bar higher during the fourth edition next year.